Hey everyone, and welcome back to Online Tech Tips. This time I want to tackle a question that's on many minds. Should you buy a pre-built PC or build it yourself? With desktop computers still being the best choice for performance and value, it's a critical decision. So here are 10 things to consider before you shell out your hard-earned cash. First, there's the challenge. Can a non-technical person build their own system? Absolutely. Modern computer components are pretty foolproof. Just watch a few good PC building videos on YouTube and you'll know everything you need to put one together. Plus, you probably have a friend who could help you if you get stuck. Building a computer isn't as easy as snapping toy blocks together, but if you can use Google and follow instructions, you can do it. The biggest problem with buying a pre-built computer is that you don't always know what components are inside beyond the headline parts like the CPU and GPU. Many pre-built systems skimp on less sexy components like the RAM, motherboard, or power supply. If you go the pre-built route, try to find out where all the components come from, because a computer is only as good as its weakest parts. Building your own PC is usually cheaper than buying a pre-built one with the same specs. By building it yourself, you remove the cost of labor and overall profit margin. Of course, if your time is worth a lot of money, you might prefer to have someone else build it. But in terms of pure expenses, building your own is typically cheaper. Plus, you can shop for deals on specific components. One major advantage of buying a pre-built computer is that you can get one warranty covering the entire machine. When you build a PC from individual components, each part has its own warranty. This can be a hassle if something goes wrong. For example, if your power supply fries your motherboard and CPU, that's not covered under the PSU's warranty. With a pre-built system, everything is covered under a single warranty. Building a PC yourself means you get to choose every single component. Even pre-built systems that offer customization have limits on which parts you can select. With a DIY build, you have total control over the performance, system balance, and even the look of the system. Want a super modern Perspex case with beautiful water cooling loops and full color coordination? No problem. While desktop PCs generally have great upgradability, pre-built computers might have limitations. This is particularly true if you use an OEM motherboard, which might not have long-term update support or as many expansion slots. Make sure to check the upgrade options of a pre-built computer so you can extend its life if you need to. The hardest part of building a PC isn't the assembly, it's choosing the parts. All components must be compatible. You need to balance your budget and ensure you get the right specs for your needs. Resources like PC Part Picker can help verify that all parts work together and offer suggested builds for every budget. A pre-built computer offers a pay-and-play solution. Once it arrives, just plug it in and switch it on. If you're impatient or don't want to spend a few hours building and setting up a PC, a pre-built is a great solution. However, keep in mind that building a PC is just a day or two out of a multi-year relationship with your system. If you want to get the most performance out of your hardware, overclocking is the way to go. When you build a new computer, you can optimize it for overclocking, which can be relatively inexpensive. Choosing a motherboard with overclocking options, a CPU with an unlocked multiplier, and a better cooling solution can give you more performance for your money. Finally, while a pre-built computer might save you time, it often comes with bloatware, unwanted software that eats up space and resources. Computer builders make money by letting software makers load your machine with demo and trial versions of their software. Getting rid of bloatware can be a chore and might take as much time as building your system in the first place. So, should you buy or build a PC? There's no right or wrong answer. Both options have their pros and cons. But buying a computer is a big financial decision. So, do your homework. Don't just buy the first thing that looks good. Making an informed decision today can save you from an expensive and wasteful future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tips. See you next time.